What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today we are working in the garage once again because it's too cold outside, but luckily we had some packages come in. We got some new speakers for the 1975 Caprice, and we'll be installing those today. And also we'll be showing y'all what's going on with the old ones and why we're gonna go ahead and get rid of those. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We post videos every week, and y'all join the Silky Smooth family. And we'll see y'all right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah. I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm the top it. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright, now that we got that out the way, we'll pop up in one box because it's gonna be the same thing. We'll look over the speakers. We're gonna show y'all. Let's open this first. We got something to sit them on too, y'all. Don't be like, oh my gosh, he's scratching the paint. This car's been painted this color and been like this for over 12 years or plus. If y'all watched last video, y'all seen where we took the old TV out. I mean, this is just our car. Like, this is that keeper you got. You know, you just, hey, it's here, it's there. You really don't mess with it. We could go crazy, put a big LS in it and do all that, but no, it's a cruiser. It's a family ride. We take knuckleheads like this riding in it, you know. So, oh, we lost something. Alright, we'll set that in there. Hope that wasn't important.
Probably one of the screws or something.
Yeah, it might just be a screw. But we kind of want to look at why. Okay. So first thing they messed up on, they sent us the bag open. I don't know why they did that. But good thing it's got its own butt connectors, and it's already got these, so we don't have to crimp these. We'll just crimp these to the wires and we'll have that part done. I really wanted to just see how one of these look. They come with two extras? Is that extra? Is that extra? I like extra, man. What's the heck? Cool. Get that out of the way. So, the main thing, guys, before we even get over there in the back. So what we got running in there and what I made the back dash for, yes, I did that whole back dash, is for Marine 6x9s. These are regular 6x9s, so I'm hoping the hole doesn't be like too big or too small or anything like that, and hopefully it'll fit pretty good. But yeah, that's where we're at. We'll grab some impacts. Well, not impacts, but we'll grab an electric screwdriver. That's what I call it for the kids. We'll grab an electric screwdriver, see if we can pop one out, and see what happens. Oh, hold on. Yeah, I forgot. Let me show y'all what's going on here. Yeah, we'll turn my beat on. Give us a second. Let's get this set up. Okay, we found my song. Well, my beat. Oh yeah, y'all look how good that TV look, man. Up in there. Looks good. So, we're gonna turn on my beat and we'll show y'all what's going on. So, like, I'm turning it up. That's like almost all the way up. And then it'll just see, like, y'all see that? Like, it'll just clip. I'm not doing that. that's what it's been doing, guys. Then I turn it down. Well, now it wants to stay on now since we got the camera on. So like, I'll turn it up and it'll like clip in and out. There it goes. So I don't know. So we'll leave that on here. We'll leave that like that. Well, let's turn it off so we don't kill the battery, guys. Why do you want to grab a light? No, y'all should be able to see. Alright, let brother get to the other side. These speakers been in here so long, I can't figure out how I put these in there. So, I mean, of course, we can't get the screwdriver in there. We can't get the gun in there. This one's a little bit shorter. That's crazy. But how long that screw's gonna be? So, let's try this. We got this. This is made by Mac. This is a little driver. This is a sweet little tool. So, but I don't know. Hopefully this works. Yeah, it'll work. Man, you get lucky buying expensive tools. We're gonna see if one will come out, and then we'll cut y'all off. We just want y'all to see the things we go through to bring y'all these videos. So she's coming though. And by the way, if y'all own a Caprice or Impala, these back windows are like $2,200 bucks because the way they're shaped. I know, because my wife tried to break mine one time. Well, she broke the front one, but the back one didn't break. And the guy told me, man, you know that would have been $2,200 bucks. I was like, golly. So it's looking like they're gonna come out. We'll get these pulled out. We'll pull the speaker out, and we'll turn y'all back on. We got all the screws out. Now, okay, the magnet are clear. The magnet are clear. See, look, y'all can see how long these been in here. Because people don't even do this no more. We got them twisted on there. These been in here for a long time. They're wired up right. I know that, but they're just twisted on there, so. We got all this stuff fixed up, and we'll have it hooked up. So this is gonna be negative. Waddy, give me one of them connectors. Hopefully, they might not be big enough. No, well, like in those little red things. You know what? I think red's gonna be too small. We're probably gonna need blue. Let me see. Yeah, so go in the house, take this with you, and tell Mom you need the blue ones out of that thing in the living room. It's the same kind of things, but tell her, don't look for them yourself. You need blue ones. Oh man, Waddy came back with the right stuff. Oh. Alright, we'll go ahead and run this. Blue on that side. Good job. Alright.
I didn't mess up this time.
You didn't mess up this time. Alright, give us the wire. That gray wire. Yeah, didn't mess up this time. So the side with the stripe, that's gonna be our negative. I always just run everything with the stripe negative. I mean, you don't have to. And I'm not an expert speaker installer, but I have been doing this for 20 plus years. We'll crimp this one. Is it a little dark in here, guys? Do we need to get another light over here? Or can y'all see? YouTube. Silky Smooth Gang. I bet you that's a lot better. Alright. We got that one done. We'll hook up two. And then we want y'all to see if it's gonna fit, so because then that might be the end of the video, or the video might keep going, so we're gonna find out real quick. Get this stuff fixed up. Cut a little bit. That's too long. Where's some green ones? There they are. Hey, y'all be careful on the seats. We don't want to put no holes in the seats. Classic. Alright, we got another blue. There we go. Uh-oh.
Forgot to shut the door.
Sorry. I like using the ones where you heat them up after you're done, but these will work. And then you can also put a little tape just to kind of reassure, yeah, just to secure it, you know, a little reassurance. That wire's a little bit smaller, so we'll put it on the yellow dot right there, crimp it right there. So it don't fall out. We got tape too, but we can tape that. We can tape it later. We're trying to just do a video for y'all. Look at me, I'm in such a hurry. I was fixing to go ahead and hook that back up. Alright, so there you go. These been in here 12 plus years. The tweeter's been gone. This speaker still kind of together. So, Waddy, you got one of the new speakers? Okay, this is the main thing we need to see, guys. It's gonna fit. And we want our letters facing this way. So this is the main thing. Let me see something. Okay, yeah, let's screw that down to that. Oh yeah, cause that marine speaker, dang. Ooh. See, that's what I was scared of. They're kind of like a lot smaller. Let's see. Go ahead and hook it up. You over there squeaking like crazy, man. You rolling around in the seat or what?
I keep falling.
You having trouble? There's some armor all on there or what, man?
I keep slipping.
You know that microphone pick up everything.
Boy, squeak, squeak, squeak.
Squeak, 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 squeak. And now I'm over here squeaking. So we're gonna have a little issue there, guys, but I don't think it's nothing major. Let's just see how much this is gonna cover. Yeah, they're smaller. They're smaller, true enough, but it'll be all right. Once the leather hits the sun, that foam will come back up right there. We'll wipe it down real good. The main thing is just screwing them in because they're a little bit smaller. So you're gonna have to try to screw in, like kind of at an angle. That's gonna be kind of hard, but we'll get them in there. So. Looks good though. So we'll turn y'all off for a little bit. Let us get the rest of these out, and then we'll do a sound test, right, brother?
Yep.
Y'all want to do a sound test?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, let us get them out, and then if we run into any issues, we'll turn y'all back on too. So. This is gonna be more work than we thought. We thought it'd be a quick little deal, but we're bottoming out as the back window curves in. It's hard to get these screws out. So as y'all can see, my back dash that I made, we have to remove this back seat, remove the side panels, and then unbolt this and slide it out. And then we'll just take them all out, drill them all in, make sure they're lined up nice. And we'll have to hook the wires up through the trunk. That's what's going on right now. Yeah, I know, guys. I know. Y'all drop down in the comments, man, and if y'all feel my pain. So, hey, it is what it is. It's part of, you know, building cars. It's part of the love that we all share with doing this stuff, so we gotta get it done. I can get that one out over there for sure. I can get these out, but like these right here, I don't even know if I can get that one out. Probably not. Yeah, it's gonna be a rough deal. So we'll turn y'all off. We'll turn y'all back on once we get them in there. We probably won't have them bolted down or screwed down, excuse me, and then we'll do our sound test. Oh, my son said he gonna get them out. He said he not waiting all night. He gonna get them out. Oh, well, he said he gonna get one out too. He almost out with it. You got it? All right, all right. We had to turn y'all back on for this. Look at the center speaker. Look at that. That's how old these are. Hopefully this is the issue. Well, I mean, we don't know, but we're gonna find out. So we got everything ready. We're gonna set them all down in there, and we'll finally do the sound test. Right?
Yep.
Yes, sir. That's the last one. We're gonna pull the whole dash out and screw them in off camera, because that's gonna take entirely too long. But y'all see, everything looks good. I should have wiped all this off, but it's all good. Woo.
Oh.
Yeah, we gotta get that off, wipe that off. We'll get it all off, guys. But right now, we are gonna be doing a sound demonstration. So, show Waddy. Waddy, you get to do the honors. All right, let me find the song. Well, the beat. So turn it down a little bit. Let's see where it's at. Hold on, I can't see. Okay, yeah, you can go like. Whoa, 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 whoa. Copyright. Hold on. Alright, hold on. Leave it right there. And let's get
Want to get some money for this video?
Yeah, we gotta get paid, man. Alright, let me find the. Just leave it right there. Let's find the beat. Alright, turn it up. We're gonna. Alright, hold on. I'll pause it. So, alright guys, we're gonna find out if it was the speakers or the deck. So, well, that's what we're finding out right now. Batteries are fully charged. We got a charger on the car right now. We don't have the car running because, of course, we're in the garage. So, alright, let's run it. Okay, hold it right there. Dang, they beating hard, though. Okay, let me tell y'all something. The 4 JLs are unplugged because we're trying to do highs right now. And them things is beating, man. They are beating. And by the way, Kicker did not sponsor me in this video, I'm telling you. So, let's run it. I'm going to turn up the highs a little bit. I'm going to get up there with Waddy. Brother, you stay back here. You show them what's going on. You can show them us, show them the speakers. We turn up the treble a little bit.
Alright.
See what we got.
Okay.
So, let's go to here.
Turn up the bass.
No. We're going to turn up the treble. So bass, we'll leave that in the middle. Treble. Oh, it's already turned up. Okay. I was just making sure. Okay. Mid-range turned up. We'll leave bass kind of in the middle. Alright, get out of there. Uh-oh. No. Don't play the wrong song. It's the deck. So hold on.
Ooh.
Hold on, it's the deck, guys.
Oh, my ears.
That's loud. Yeah, it's the deck. So, alright guys, so hold on, I'm gonna let y'all hear it, but so we'll be replacing the deck next because, well, there's another speaker that's in here like 12 years old. It's up under here. So, well, the tweeters are new. These are new. There's just one more speaker in here that we can replace. But I think we're just going to go ahead and replace the deck, guys. But we'll turn it up. We'll run it back. Dude, them 6x9 hitting those. That's crazy. And the subs ain't even on. They hitting those. We gotta clean all that up around them, but it'll be alright. And if we have to, we'll put new padding, but I don't think we will. That's just 4 6x9s, and it's like banging. You know what I'm saying? Alright, I'm gonna turn the bass down. Let me see something real quick. Yeah, that mug loud. That mug loud, man. Yeah, that mug loud. That mug is loud. Man, that mug is loud, guys. Get your light out. Get your light out. Get out of my car, man.
I'm my car.
Your car?
Yeah.
Alright, guys. It was a good video. Good times. We enjoyed it. Y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next video.
Peace.